Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to control scenes in a number of different ways in Google Vids. So you're in a Google Vids project, you've got some scenes set up pretty much the way you want. If you go to the scene menu, you'll see this group of 4 right here. If you click on duplicate scene, it's basically just going to create a copy of the scene that you already have selected. I use this a lot for animation purposes instead of trying to set up like animations where this thing appears and then this thing appears and then this thing appears. I just duplicate the scene and then cut from the scene anything I don't want to be in that scene. And then as it progresses through the scene, you get that appearance animation effect. Delete scenes. You've got a scene. It's not necessarily, it's redundant and, whatever. You can delete it. Split screen at playhead. If you, let's see if I can show you the playhead here. This little upside down blue triangle, that is the playhead. And what you can do is you can split the screen at that playhead. And what will happen is not only will it basically duplicate the screen, any sound tracks that you have there will get cut there as well. And then lastly, move scene, whatever scene you've got selected, you can move it left, move it right, move to the beginning, move to the end. So you can control these scenes in a lot of different ways once you've got one selected. So that's how you can control scenes in Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.